Good morning, students. Welcome to day 13 class. Today we are going to discuss about decimals. Last day, yesterday we discussed addition of decimal, how to add the decimal problems, and also we discussed word problems of the decimals. Yes or no? Already that one discussed. Now today's class we are going to discuss subtraction. Yesterday also we discussed some only subtraction of decimal. Subtraction of decimal. It is very important. Okay. Same problems are coming here. What is that? Subtract. Some twist problems are there. You have to understand clearly, then you have to solve. Subtract 25.36 from 30. This is the given problem. What is that? Subtract 25.36 from 30. Understood? What is given here? 25.36. You should subtract 30. 30 ದಿಂದ 25.36 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Sir, I cannot understand this problem. Then you have to do. First you have to think. Subtraction means compulsory you should subtract bigger number to smaller number. It is possible. It is the method. Bigger number ಒಳಗಡೆ smaller number ಅನ್ನು subtraction ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ. But you cannot subtract smaller to bigger. Understand? That's why you have to think, you have to compare two numbers, 30 bigger or 25.36 bigger. Yes, absolutely 30 is bigger than. First of all, you should write 30.00 because 30 is the whole number only is given there, but not given the point after the point numbers. Okay, then if not given means 0 is there, you should keep there 0. Because of subtraction should be easy. Subtraction ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, then minus 25.36 then we have to do it here subtraction. Sir, here 0 and here below side 6 is there, sir. Yes, no problem, but you take a borrow, you take a loan. Now ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೈಡ್ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ನಾವು borrow ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. What number you take a borrow? Then it is 1 you should keep here, means it should be 10. ಆ borrow ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ತಿಳಿತಾ? Then it is 10 minus 6. It is easily subtract because 10 is bigger than 6. 6 ಗಿಂತಲೂ 10 ಏನಿದೆ bigger ಇದೆ. That's why 10 minus 6 you should do mentally, because not now you are a first standard, second standard, you are a sixth standard. Sir, 1 2 3, don't do like that. You should do mind. Okay, 10 minus 6 easily take 4. It is 4. Then 0, again 0 is there, but not subtract 3. Then you take again borrow. Then it is also 10. 10 minus 3, but one borrow is there, you should add it to 3 plus 1. It is 4. Then 10 minus 4, how much? 6. Then keep your point below point. Compulsory follow the rule. Compulsory in addition and subtraction method you have to come in means you have to do there and unit place below unit place, tenth place below tenth place, hundredth place below hundredth place, thousandth place below thousandth place. Compulsory that is. Then again come to next number. Here 0 and here 5 is there. Again 0 is not subtract 5. That's why you take again borrow. It is also 10. 10 minus 5 plus 1 borrow is there. 5 plus 1 6. Then you again subtract 10 minus 6. How much? It is also 4. Then here 3 and here 2. Sir, easily subtract, sir, because 3 is bigger than 2, but 1 borrow is there. 2 plus 1, it is also 3. 3 minus 3, it is equal numbers. 3 rupees you have. 3 rupees all money you have to spend means how much rupees is remaining? 0. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. 3 ದೊಳಗೆ 3 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ should be 0. Here 0. Then what is that? This is named difference. Yes or no? What is that? It is difference. Okay. Write down this one. Then I will give you some problems. Then you have to solve. Okay. Solve the problem. This one write red pen and this one write blue pen. Now we are going to discuss about second one problem. Subtract 632.06 from 900.88. This is the given problem. Okay, I told so many times, subtract, question should be easy, understand. Subtract 632.06 from ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ subtract ಮಾಡಿ. But you cannot understand means I told na second method you should compare which is bigger, that one you should write first. But ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತಾರ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರೀತಾರ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತಾರ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಾಂಗ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ 900.88 minus 632.06. Yes, it is very easy. 8 is easily subtract 6 because 8 is bigger than 6. Then 8 minus 6, it is 2. Then 8 minus 0, any number you have 8 rupees, you cannot spend any money means remaining only 8 rupees na ನೀವು ಒಟ್ಟ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಅಟ್ಟ ಉಳಿತಾವ. then ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾವ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. then it should be 8 only. then keep your point. Then 0 is not subtracted 2. You take a borrow. It is 10. 10 minus 2. It is how much? It is 8. Then it is also take a borrow. 10 minus 3 plus 1 4. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. It is 6. Then 9 minus 7. 6 plus 1 7. 9 minus 7. It is 2. It is, we should call that is difference. It is difference. Write down these problems. Dear students, look at here. 8.6 exercise is there. Look at that problem. Subtract is there. Subtract A, B, C, D, E. How many problems are there? A, B, C, D, E problems are there. Okay. Then these A, B, C, D, E 5 problems are there. I will solve only one problem. You have to tell which problem I will solve. Okay. Someone is telling there you should solve, sir, E problem you have to solve, sir. Okay, then I will solve E problem only. Okay, look at that. This is your exercise question. First of all, you should write what is the given question. You should write properly. E 0.314 kg from 2.107 kg. Already in a first headline is there, subtract is already headline is there. Subtract 0.314 kg from 2.107 kg. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I told. Here also you should compare. Before the point if 0 is there and before the point 2 is there. Which is bigger? 2 or 0? Yes, 2 is bigger. That's why you should write 2.107 minus 0.314 kg. Yes. Then again you should write here 7 and here 4. It is right. Here 7 and 4 is there. 7 minus 4 how much? 7 minus 4 how much? Yes, 7 minus 4 it is 3. Then 0 is not subtract 1. That's why you take a borrow, then it is 10. Okay. 10 minus 1 9. Then 1 is not subtract 3 plus 1 4. That's why you take again borrow. It is 11. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 1 10. 10 minus 3 7. Then keep your point below point. Then 2 minus 1 borrow only you have to subtract. 2 minus 1 means 1. Then remaining is 1.793 kg. 793 kg. Okay, write down this problem. Then we are going to discuss next one is there. I already solved E problem I solved. Now A, B, C, D you only solve in home. Remember, it is a very easy question. Next one is find the value of. These problems are given there. You should find the value of that numbers. Okay. A, B, C, D. Only A, B, C, D is there. Okay, wait. Next is problems. No. Only A, B, C, D problems are there. These problems. One problem only I will solve. Which problem I will solve now? Sir, first one you solve, sir. Okay. First one I will solve. Okay. Then A. Now here only I will solve. A 9.756 minus 6.28. This is the problem. Correct? Then here before the point one number is there. Here also before the point one number is there. But after the point here 3 numbers and here 2 numbers. Don't think that one. Okay, you should write point below point. Point ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಾಂಗ್. ದೆನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ 9.756 minus 6.28. Okay. Then here no number means you should keep here 0. No problem. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 0 ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. Then 6 minus 0 always 6 only. Any number you have to subtract from 0 answer should be that number itself only. Then 5 is not subtract 8. Then what do we do? You take a borrow. It is 15. 15 minus 8. 3.476. 3.476 the value. Okay. Now remaining so many problems are there. Only a B, C, D problems are there. You have to solve that problems. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about word problems. Okay. Abhishek had rupees 7.45. He bought two pins for rupees 5.30. Find the amount left with Abhishek. What is the given problem? Abhishek had rupees 7.45. Abhishek have how much money? 7.45 rupees. Our hatra estide 7.45 rupees. Okay. Then he going to bought one topi. He bought for how much rupees given? 5.30. 5 rupees 30 paise. That's why we should call that is 5.30 rupees. Then how much remaining amount has now Abhishek? First of all, you should write statement. Abhishek has total money rupees 7.45. Okay. Then the cost of topi is rupees 5.30. Okay. Then the remaining amount is how much they given to the shopkeeper means that should be left. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೋಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, then you have to do it here subtraction. 5 minus 0 it is 5. 4 minus 3 it is 1 point. Then 7 minus 5 it is 2. The remaining amount is 2.15 paise. It means 2.15 rupees. Okay. First of all, you should write this question in red pen and answer write blue pen. Write down. Next one problem. Your exercise problem. It is fourth one, page number 50. First of all, I should write question. Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream. One ice cream for 11.75 rupees. How much money does she have now? Okay, this is the question. Okay, how much rupees? Rani hatra 18.50 rupees ittu. Then he going to brought one ice cream. Then he given 11.75 rupees. Then how much amount remaining? That one you should find out first. Answer: Rani has total amount is 18.50. Then the cost of one ice cream, the cost of one ice cream, how much rupees? 11.75. The remaining amount is okay, you should do it subtraction. 0 is not subtract to 5, then what do we do? You take a borrow, it is 10. 10 minus 5, it is 5. Then 5 is not subtract to 7, then you take again borrow 15 minus 8, because 7 plus 1 borrow is there, 8. 15 minus 8, 2, 10, 2 plus 1 is 7. You should do calculate only mind. Then keep your point. 8 minus 2, 6. 1 minus 1, it is 0. The remaining amount is 6.75. It is the remaining amount. Okay. Write down this one. This one write in red pen and this one write in blue pen. Okay. Write down first. Next one problem, 7th one, last one. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this 3 kg, 500 gram is onions, 2 kg, 75 grams is tomato, and the rest is potato. What is the weight of the potatoes? It is a very critical problem. It is addition and subtraction mixed problems. Okay. Akash bought vegetables, total weight is 10 kg. He went to market and he bought 10 kg of vegetables. In that vegetables, variety vegetables are there. One is tomato, onion and potato. 3 types of vegetables he bought. Then including 3 types of vegetables, total weight is 10 kg. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಕಾಶ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೋದ, 10 kg vegetables na ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ. Then variety vegetables ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದ. Onion, potato, tomato, these Step 1. First we should find out the onion and tomato weight. The weight of onions is how much? 3 kg 500 gram. Understood? 3 kg 500 gram. Then the weight of tomato is how much? 2 kg 0.75 gram. Understand? Then the total weight of two items is total weight of two items. You want means you should do addition. 5 0 plus 5 5 0 plus 7 7 5 plus 0 5. Then it is 3 plus 2 5 kg 575 gram. Understand? It is the total weight of onion and tomato. Okay. Then we should find out. Step 2. The total weight of all is 10 kg 00 gram. Look at there. The total weight of all vegetables is 10 kg. Remember it. Then the weight of onion and tomato is how much? 5 kg 575 gram. 5 kg 575 gram. 0 is not subtract. 10 plus 5. Okay, remember one thing. Look at there. The total weight of all is 10 kg 00 gram. You know that one because he bought total vegetables 10 kg here there. Then total weight of onion and tomato, you should subtract it. Remaining what is there, that is the weight of potato. Then 10 minus 5 0 given carry. Then again you take borrow. 10 minus 8 it is 2. Then again you borrow and take a borrow. 10 minus 6 it is 4. Then 10 minus 0 is not subtract. Again you take borrow. Then give 10 minus 6 it is 4. It is 0. Then the last one. Therefore the total weight of potato is 4 kg 425 gram. This is the final answer. Okay. It is two types of problems, two step. One is addition and another one is subtraction. You think ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, then you have to solve. Okay. Write down this one. Okay, then remaining problems are there. For example, look at here. Third, fourth and seventh I already solved. Remaining 3, 5 and 6 is there. You have to solve your own. 6 one I will show you. Namita travels 20 kilometer 50 meter every day. Out of this she travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she traveled by auto? First of all, you should do it. Namita travels total 20 kilometer and 50 meter every day. Okay. Then you have to minus, she traveled in bus minus, then what is remaining there, that is in auto. Okay. Solve that, and fifth one also you have to solve. Any doubt means you have to send, then I will explain and I will give you. Okay. Thank you.